hope you are doing good. As the winter season started, it is common that people get affected with flu. Today let's make a nice drink that helps to boost our immunity. For this drink, the main ingredients are apple and carrot. Let's get started with the drink. Take 3 to 4 small carrots, wash them, peel them and chop them nicely. Here I took a big apple. Wash it, peel it and chop it. Take an inch of ginger, wash it, peel it and chop it. Take a mixie jar, add chopped carrots, chopped apples, and ginger pieces. Let's grind it until it is smooth. Add some water while grinding. If you want it like a smoothie, add less water. If you want it thinner, add more water. You can drink this as it is or you can filter it. Let's serve it into a glass. Let's top it with mint leaves. This is an easy to make super drink that boosts our immunity and is great for our skin, hair and gives us so many health benefits. Here is our immunity booster. Let me taste it. It is very tasty. I hope you'll also prepare this. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.